especially if you're into Fox bodies. Look at this 1988 Ford Mustang GT convertible, 16,320 miles on it, and it shows clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Let's take a look at this front fascia, front end of this car. Really notice much for rock chips, dings, scratches. I'll show you a couple little scuffs that I noticed that aren't much at all. Of course, underneath the hood, 302 high output 5-liter that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive on this, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Of course, this is the scarlet red paint, white vinyl top, smoke leather interior. Check out the still pictures of the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Up and down the passenger side of that car. Again, just don't see any nicks, dings, scratches. The one little scuff I noticed was in this rub strip area right here on this inlay, which I don't think would take a whole lot to put a piece of vinyl to match in that area at all. Convertible top cover, nice shape, fastens in perfectly. There's that smoked leather interior, free of much wear at all. No rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Of course, automatic shifter on the floor. This one does have the AM/FM cassette player in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear of this car, as nice a shape as the front. Now, a couple things that are going to go with this. That parade boot to the convertible top cover does have the envelope style vinyl package there that comes with it, and then you can see they have had a front end cover for if you're doing any sort of trips, taking it down the highway, any longer trips, you want to protect that front end from rock chips. You can use that if you don't want to. You don't have to. It'll be in the trunk. Will be included with this car. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 273 rear gears in this one. Again, clean Carfax, a little over 16,000 miles on it. Like I said, it definitely shows. Let's go down this driver's side. Of course, it's riding on the stock wheels. And again, look at the shine, reflection coming off that all the way to the front door, and free of nicks, dings, scratches. I mentioned scuffs. Here's the one other spot. I noticed one little spot right here. I take that back. A little bit of dust. Look at that. Wow. A couple maybe touch-ups if I'm getting really, really fussy right there. Just a little spot there of that. And again, that's kind of really going over this thing with a fine-tooth comb. This one will not disappoint. Wish I had room in my garage. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Look at the door panels. Again, take a look at these seats. Free of wear. It's unbelievable condition. How clean the floor mats are. Here's your miles. 16,320. If you can see that, there you go. AC does blow cold. I mentioned that before. Power top works as it should. It is fuel injected, of course. There's no warning indicators, anything like that on. Slip around to the back. Stock exhaust, no crazy exhaust. Engine work done. No, nada. Wow, sounds just as it should. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to check out that engine bay. So let me pop the hood, and we'll shut that back down, turn it off. I'll run that top up. I want to show you this vinyl top on this thing too. Hang on. And here's the engine bay. Now, one thing I also noticed, look at the pictures on the bottom side of the doors. All the tags where the bins would be, inside of the fenders, hood, other fender over here. You can see it in the still pictures under the doors. See it on the trunk lid. Those are all intact. Again, no accidents. I don't see any paint work on this car. Again, original miles, clean Carfax. I believe this has been converted, which would have had R12 in 88. Power steering, power brakes, and a 5-liter. Just as neat and tidy underneath here. Running as it should. There are some records from the previous owner that had it. He was putting on about 700,000 miles a year, changing oil once a year on it for the past 8, 9, 10 years when he had it. The condition of it, you can tell. Stored indoors. Definitely well taken care of and serviced. Still riding on the original Goodyear tires. They're from the 10th week of year ending in 8. And that coincides with a March of 88 build on this car. So, original wheels and tires. All right, there's that. Give me a second. I want to get that top so you can see it, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go, the top up. Again, power top, functions as it should. White vinyl. Appears to be original top, as with pretty much everything on this car. And you can see in nice shape, it's not even really discolored. Nice bright white rear glass window. A few wrinkles from being folded up, but get her out in the sun and those will come right out with a little heat to them. No holes, rips, tears. This thing's going to function as it should, keep you out of the rain or the sun with the AC on, whatever it may be. Fits nice and tight above the windshield. Looks good. Like I said, like the rest of this car. There you go. I don't think this one's going to last long, like I said earlier. Nice looking Ford Fox body Mustang convertible. GT, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.